remember, normally the red colors and the yellow are lighter, like lower temperature than the blue ones. And like the purple, the green, they are like different chemicals. So like
But why some is sparkling?
because it's like what the chemicals are burning and they disappear, but they cannot do it at the same time in the air. Like it's almost the same time, but you know there's a little bit of time gap between them. So like the moment of explosion and then the release of the chemical and the temperature, like all these are the different substances that make the thing. And also, you know, they also the way that they explode kind of gives different